Hello, welcome back to ANCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. Solve Mn belongs to natural numbers. M plus root m plus 10 equal to n factorial. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, given m plus root m plus 10 equal to n factorial. So mn belongs to natural numbers. Let us take m is equal to x square. M equal to x square or root m is equal to x. Root m is equal to x. So here x square plus x plus 10 minus n factorial equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic in x. It is a quadratic in x. Quadratic in x. So D should be, discriminant should be perfect square. Discriminant should be perfect square. So we know that D is b square minus 4ac 1 minus 4 into 1. Here 10 minus n factorial should be perfect square. Let us take k square. So D is equal to 1 minus 40 plus 4n factorial. So that is nothing but 4n factorial minus 39 equal to k square, where k belongs to natural number. Now we are going to check this which value will satisfy. Okay, for n is equal to 1, 2 and 3, D is less than 0. So for n is equal to 4, D is not a perfect square. N is equal to 4, D is not a perfect square. For n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 means 5 factorial, you will get 180. 5 factorial means 5 4 20, 23 60, 62, so 120. 5 factorial is 120. 120 into 4. 120 into 4. 480 minus 39. You will get 441. So it is a perfect square. That implies D is equal to 21 you are getting. That implies K value is 21 you are getting. D is equal to 441 you are getting. So K value is 21 now. So it is a solution. It is a solution with x is equal to x is equal to 10. Then m is equal to 100. 100 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 factorial. 100 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 factorial. So for n greater than 5, 4n factorial minus 39 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. So what is the reason means due to 39. Due to 39 it is not divisible by 9. Therefore the only solution is n is equal to 5 and m is equal to 100. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.